This is the previous year question 2022 to 2023 Physics 1. Group A, very short answer type question. 1. Answer any 10 of the following. Number 1. Calculate the wavelength of an electron of energy 10 eV. Why do not we observe the de Broglie wavelength with a fast moving cricket ball? Number 3. What is the phase difference between displacement and velocity of a particle executing SHM? Number 4. Fill in the blank. Planck's formula for blackbody radiation can be delivered from dash statistics. Number 5. Why the sound wave does not show the phenomenon of polarization. Number 6. What is the expression of separation between interference rings in double slit diffraction? Number 7. A conductor of wavelength L is placed in a magnetic field of magnetic flux density B vector if current I is flowing through the conductor, then how much force will be experienced by it? Number 8. Why would be the amount of change in wavelength of a monochromatic X-ray photon when it is scattered by carbon atoms at an angle 180 degree? Number 9. In which statistics Pauli's exclusion principle is valid? Number X. Find curl dot r vector x. Number 11. The difference equation of motion of a freely oscillating body is given by d square x by dt square plus 36 pi square x is equal to 0. Find natural frequency of the body. Number 12. At absolute zero temperature, what is the Fermi distribution electrons when the energy of the system is greater than Fermi energy? Group B. Short answer type question. Answer any 3 of the following. Number 2. What do you mean by harmonic motion? Give a graphical comparison among the following 4 types of harmonic motion. Simple. Number 1. Simple harmonic motion. Number 2. Underdamped harmonic motion. Number 3. Overdamped harmonic motion. And number 4. Critically damped harmonic motion. 3a. Deduce Brewster's law. 3b. Find the Brewster's angle of a glass slab of a refractive angle 1.5 if the slab is immersed in water of refractive. 4/3. Find the angle of polarization. Number 4. What do you mean by irrotational vector? So that a vector is equal to 6xy plus z cube I unit plus 3x square minus z unit plus 3x z square minus y k unit is rotational. Number 5. Write down the expression for the intensity of light due to Fraunhofer diffraction in a single slit and hence find the condition for maxima and minima in the diffraction pattern. Number 6. Evaluate curl dot r by r3. Number 7. Group C. Long answer type question. Answer any 3 of the following. 7a. What are positive and negative crystals? Give examples. What is optic axis of a crystal? 7b. How can you distinguish between circularly polarized light and unpolarized light with help of quarter wave plate and nickel prism? Explain the number C. Explain the light wave can be polarized but sound wave cannot be polarized. D. Find the state of the polarization when x and y components of the electric fields are given by Ex is equal to E0 sin Wt plus Kz and Uy is equal to E0 cos Wt plus Kz. E. A plane polarized light of wavelength 600 nanometer change to circularly polarized light on passing through a quartz crystal cut parallel to optic axis. Calculate the minimum thickness to produce such effect. Give mu b minus mu 0 is equal to 0.005. 8a. Define magnetic susceptibility and permeability. Obtain the relation between them. 8b. Write the difference between diamagnetic and paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. Number 8c. What is hysteresis? Draw a hysteresis curve for a sample of iron. Explain the curve step by step. 9a. What are dielectrics? Differentiate between polar and non-polar dielectrics with example. 9b. Find the relation between electronic polarizability and atomic radius. 9c. Establish the relation D vector is equal to E vector plus P vector where the parameters have their usual meaning. Number D. A potential of 10 V is applied across a parallel plate capacitor having area of 6.45 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square and plate separation is 0.002 meter. If a material having dielectric constant of 6.0 is placed within the region between the plates, calculate the amount of charge stored in the plate and net amount of polarization. 10a. Write down the expression for intensity distribution of single slit diffraction and explain the symbol used. 10b. Sketch how the intensity varies with angle diffraction. 10c. Find the values of angle at which minima are located. 10d. Find the condition that the angle satisfies in order to be the position of a secondary maximum. 10e. Describe the fringe pattern when white light is incident on a plane transmission grating. 10f. A light of wavelength 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 semi falls normally on a slit of width 0.2 millimeter. Calculate the total angular width of the central maximum. The linear number 2. The linear width of central maximum on a screen placed 2 meter away. 11a. Write down Maxwell's wave equation for free space with their physical significance. Here prove that velocity of EMF wave is equal to velocity of light. 11b. Write down the Maxwell's modification of Ampere's law. An electric wave is represented by E is equal to E0 cos 1000 x minus 5000 t. Calculate the wavelength and speed of propagation of the wave. so that the displacement current is negligible compared to the conduction current or at any frequency when the conductor is subjected to an alternating field. Number 11D, a circular conducting disc of 5 semi radius maintains an angular motion of 1000 rpm with its plane perpendicular to the magnetic field. If due to this motion, the induced EMF between the center and the edge of the disk is 3.22 MV, calculate the magnetic flux density.